Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to overcome negative thinking easily. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to overcome negative thinking and be a more positive thinking person, be a more optimistic person, this is the video for you because it's actually fairly easy to do for the most part. So basically, you got to think about it like this. You just have to think about it like this. You have a glass that has water in it, and the glass is literally exactly between being full and empty. The water is exactly halfway full in the glass, okay? Now you notice I said halfway full because it's also halfway empty at the same time. So the water can be perceived as being half full or half empty. The glass can be perceived as being half full or half empty. The reality is that there's that much water in it, and it is equally full and empty. It is halfway between both of those levels, okay? So the reality is that either one is correct. Half full and half empty is correct. However, by saying the glass is half full, you're still correct, right? But you're taking a positive, optimistic thinking approach. By saying the glass is half empty, you're still correct. You're not wrong, you're still correct. But you're taking a negative, pessimistic view on it. So how do you do it? Well, it's about doing that all the time. So constantly saying the glass is half full. What does that mean? Well, it means the reality is this, but you're looking at it in terms of this, not this. So that means that you're going to see the positive in any situation, because even if the glass was almost empty, you could say the glass is a little bit full, right? So think about it like that. So in life, you're going to encounter a situation and you might be trained to think negatively for whatever reason. There could be millions of reasons of why you might be thinking negatively, okay? Some might be your fault, some might not be your fault. But we're here to make it better. So at the end of the day, whatever the reality is, you're trying to see it in a positive. So if you lose, you could say it's an opportunity to learn, okay? If you are running late, you could say, now I know how quickly I can get ready. Right? Like, it's all about seeing the positive in any situation. And when you do that, you train yourself to think positively. Now, when you're negatively thinking, when you're a negative thinker, or you're just in a negative thinking moment, okay, it might seem brutally hard to just think positively just the tiniest bit. But once you think positively the tiniest bit, it becomes easier to think positively more so, and it becomes even easier to think positively more so, and just even easier and easier to think even more and more and more positively. So with that being said, it is just a matter of starting small with baby steps and working your way up. And you can overcome negative thinking and be a positive, optimistic thinker. I don't want to say no time at all, but relatively quickly and easily. You just have to take the first steps, and it becomes easier and easier after that. And that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.